Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to fix the IOMMU problem in your system. To do this, we need to go into Windows Settings. Click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Here, click Advanced Settings, and then click the Recovery button. Click Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Click Restart Now. And there we go. This menu will load up for you. Here, click Continue. Actually, Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings and click Restart. There, and the BIOS loads up. So here we need to go into Settings, specifically Boot, and here enable security options so it's not set to system, but either off or on, whichever. For me it's already set like this. And Secure Boot? Secure Boot must be enabled. There. So here, select Advanced Mode and enable it. Now, usually this IOMMU problem occurs on AMD processors, yes. And generally on AMD systems. And here you can find that tab you need. Oh, there it is. And after that everything should work properly. There, and I click Exit. Escape. Click Yes. After that the computer will boot up and the problem should be gone. This has been, see you all later.